Hey, Fry, could you go make some popcorn?
I'm starting my prop with a bottle cap because it's the right size and has the ridges that give the edges the right look. I also wanted to give this prop some interactive realism, so I'm adding some tiny beads so you can shake it and hear the fake popcorn kernels inside. Finally, I'm going to take a googly eye and cut off the clear dome part to contain the beads. Once I have my dome, I put some of the beads in it and used a tiny brush to apply some glue to stick it to the bottle cap. This didn't work too well though, so I brought out the big guns. While my glue gun was heating up, I got my handle ready to be glued in as well. For the handle, I'm using a paper clip. All I need to do is cut off some of the excess wire to get a U shape and bend the tips with needle nose pliers so I can hook it into the bottle cap. Now I'm ready to glue. Next, I grabbed a piece of aluminum foil. I cut out a circle with enough room to pull up and around the edges of the bottle cap. I also made 2 cuts so the foil could wrap around the handle. Time to get my label. I found a pretty good screenshot and I just needed to bring it into Photoshop to adjust it so it wasn't skewed. I also wanted to make a few different size options and make some of them a little bit lighter since printed images can often come out darker than they appear on the screen. I printed these out on some thicker cardstock and now I'm going to paint some Mod Podge on them to give them a bit of a sheen like I imagined the packaging would have. After a few minutes, the Mod Podge had dried, so it's time to cut. Using my prop so far as a size comparison, I picked 2 of the images to cut out. I lucked out as the first one was a really good fit. I got my glue gun again, glued the image down, and that's it.